Choosing the perfect location for your TEFL course can dramatically shape your teaching journey. What options await you? Explore breathtaking environments across the globe, from vibrant cities to serene landscapes. Discover your ideal training location now. In the Americas, study in lively settings like Costa Rica, Argentina, or beautiful Mexico. Adventure awaits just around the corner. Then, journey to Asia, where vibrant cultures blend with endless opportunities for teaching. Destinations like Thailand and Japan call your name. Europe presents a dream for many, with options from the romantic streets of Paris to the historic charm of Italy. Where will you go? What if you already have a location in mind for your future job? That's the perfect time to take your TEFL course there. Meet local contacts during your training who can guide you to the ideal teaching positions after your certification. Networking opens doors. Research accommodation costs in different cities, ensuring you make the most informed decision. Your TEFL adventure is just beginning.